What I could see is that the quantum effects develops. So we are now the third time here as a hosting partner with a big booth, and we see that the community becomes more and more mature. We see that we have much more interest of the industry here, that a lot of visitors which are coming here have concrete application, concrete questions, and the internationalization becomes much more. So last year we were together with Netherlands, this year we are together with France.
Last 2 days were great because we had the opportunity to exchange with the German ecosystem, find new prospects, people who are really interested in discovering what a quantum software company can do now and how we can help them improve their processes, and also discover all the German ecosystem just behind us.
For us it is amazing to be here at Quantum Effects, to meet some of the latest innovators, the leading minds in the quantum industry, especially here in Germany. So it's great being here.
I think basically it's the perfect balance because I was able to speak with a lot of companies and at the same time meet so many people from universities. It is a nice opportunity to also get in touch with our already existing network.